Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best in-depth reviews of products you need to know about.
Today, we've got something special for all you music enthusiasts, content creators, and DIY studio builders out there.
We're talking about the 48-pack acoustic foam panel Wedge studio soundproofing wall tiles by XIN&LOG. And let me tell you, these are the best insulation boards available in the market. So, what makes these acoustic foam panels so special? Let's dive right into it.
Introduce the product name and brand. Mention that it's currently unavailable but highlight its popularity. Emphasize the color options available.
Explain that these panels are made of environmentally friendly polyurethane foam. Highlight their unique wavy triangle shape for enhanced sound absorption. Mention that they are designed to absorb mid to high range frequencies and reduce echoes.
Talk about the benefits of using polyurethane for sound insulation and heat insulation.
Explain that they come compressed but quickly recover their shape. Describe various applications for these panels, such as recording studios, listening rooms, home theaters, and KTV.
Emphasize their suitability for absorbing medium and high frequencies, reducing echo, and overall noise reduction. Mention the total size of each panel. Discuss the package, which includes 48 panels. Share some key customer reviews and ratings. Highlight the positive aspects mentioned by customers, such as visual appeal and quick recovery. Address potential concerns raised by customers, like thickness and adhesion. Conclude that these panels are budget-friendly and offer great value for the price. Provide details like item weight, dimensions, ASIN, and customer reviews. Mention the best sellers rank in musical instruments and recording studio acoustical treatments. Note the color name and material type. Highlight the product's date of availability. Summarize the key points, highlighting the benefits of these acoustic foam panels. Reinforce that they are an excellent choice for improving sound quality in various settings. So, there you have it, folks. The 48-pack acoustic foam panel Wedge studio soundproofing wall tiles by XIN&LOG. The best insulation boards on the market to enhance your sound recording and create a noise-free environment. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting product reviews on Product Critique. And as always, feel free to leave your comments and questions below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay tuned for more awesome product critiques.